Hi Lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and I focus on faith, fitness, and fashion. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new Hermes Rivale mini bracelet. So the Rivale mini bracelet by Hermes is inspired by the Collier de Chien collection. Collier de Chien translates to dog collar in French. And we know that Hermes created this line in response to one of his clients requesting a dog collar be created for his dog. So it features the Midor studs, my belt, and the Collier de Chien line features the Midor studs as well as an O-ring. So this O-ring is what actually attaches the leash to the dog collar. I absolutely love this belt. I am obsessed with this belt, and if I ever find this belt in cream, I'm going to purchase it. Yes, as soon as it becomes available, it's mine. I don't care. I want it. All right, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So I ordered this last week and it came today. So of course it came wrapped in the Hermes ribbon and it's in the iconic Hermes orange box. Hopefully this is not going to be a disappointment. So it comes in the felt pouch. And I purchased this bracelet because I really want something to stop my Cartier Love bracelet from flapping into my inspired Cartier bracelet in pave diamonds. So I had an unloved bracelet that I was using. So this is my unloved bracelet, that rubber bracelet. But the more I wear it, the more it's starting to stretch. And this Cartier bracelet, my original love, is sliding over and into my diamond pave bracelet. So this is the Hermes Rivale bracelet. So again, it features two of the Midor studs and it has the O-ring. Let's go ahead and try it on and see how it works with my Cartier bracelet. All right, so I am happy to say that I am quite pleased with my new stack. So I definitely ordered the correct sizing. This bracelet is available in sizes T1 through T4. So T1 is 14.5 centimeters, T2 is 15.5, T3, which is the size that I ordered, is 17.5 centimeters, 16.5 centimeters, and T4 is 17.5. So I think it fits nicely with my new stack. It has a very small Hermes inscription at the very bottom of the little bar, and I think it's a nice addition. I think hopefully, it's going to stop my bracelet from sliding into each other and potentially acquiring even more scratches than I normally have. Like, I like the look of it, and my other bracelet doesn't appear to be sliding across as of right now. It's too early to talk about wear and tear, so this was just a really brief unboxing of my new Hermes Rivale bracelet. Again, it is inspired by the Collier de Chien line associated with Hermes, and so far so good. I love it. I'll keep you posted. And I really wanted to do this video because I haven't seen any reviews on the Rivale Mini. So I've seen several on the Rivale Double Tour, which actually involves this same style bracelet, but it wraps around the wrist twice, but none of the mini Rivale. So I'm happy to provide this little review unboxing for you. I hope you have a great day. My name is Stephanie. I focus on faith, fitness, and fashion. Please take the time to like and subscribe. Have a great day. I love you unconditionally. Bye.